Whoa, listen to my hungry pigs going absolutely wild.
Oink, oink, they're starving. Hey farmers, welcome to Local Pig Farm. I'm your local pig farmer today. I'm gonna show you my 050 homemade pig feed that grows. Fat pigs fast. Fast forward, get your cabbage leaves, plus rice residue, plus water, zero waste, max savings. Stick around. You'll save thousands on feed bills. Let's mix it up. Out of step 1, grab 5 kilo fresh cabbage leaves. Why? Packed with vitamins A, C, K, boosts pig immunity 30%. Step 2, add 3 kilo rice residue. Zero waste, pure carbs for energy. Step 3, pour in 10 liters water. Mix till sloppy and now it's ready to serve. Pigs love wet feed.